everyone, so it's Coach Fred here doing SAT practice test 7, math non-calculator number 13. We're getting close to the end, and I'm looking at this question. It says, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x squared minus 2x minus 5 over x minus 3? If you've been watching my videos, you know that word is really important. It just means that this is the same as one of these or written differently. It could be simplified. It could be in a different form. And then I look at the answers. I notice that the answers look kind of interesting to me. In Algebra 2, the only way you got answers like this was when you did either synthetic or long division. So I look at this rational expression, and yeah, I'd always want to check and see if I could simplify the top by factoring, but it's not factorable. So the only way to simplify the expression would be to use polynomial long division. All right, so I'm going to divide x minus 3 into x squared minus 2x minus 5. All right, so the way I do this is I say, okay, x goes into x squared how many times? Or another way of thinking about that is x times what will give you x squared? Hopefully you're saying x. And I line it up right above the term that has the exact same degree. All right, so then I multiply x to the x minus 3. So that means I'm going to get x times x, which gives me x squared, x times negative 3, that gives me negative 3x. Then I subtract the whole quantity. So by subtracting, this becomes negative, this becomes positive. So the x squareds cancel, and you'll get just x. Negative 2x plus 3x gives me x. I'm going to bring down the negative 5. All right, then I go back and I look at this term. X times what gives me x? Hopefully you're saying 1. So I'm going to put a plus 1 up here. Again, now I'm going to get rid of these guys because I know my answer is going to have an x plus 1 in it. All right, I'm not done though. Now I'm going to multiply that 1 to the whole quantity, x minus 3. All right, so that's going to give me x minus 3. Then we subtract, so it becomes minus, plus, add down, we're going to get negative 2. We take that negative 2 and we put it over our original divisor. And so my answer would be D. All right, so question number 13. This has actually been a pretty common question that I've seen on some of these tests. Definitely something to look for, and definitely a topic that you did learn about in Algebra 2. Again, pay close attention to that equivalent, and also always look at the answers to see if they can kind of trigger your brain as to what to do. In this case, it was a really good trigger for me. Have a great day, guys. Hopefully that was helpful.